Pro tip: how to prolong the life of your roof. But before we get started, please click that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos.
Start by scheduling regular inspections of your roof, preferably twice a year during spring and fall. Make sure to check your shingles for cracks, damage, leaks. Check your roof to make sure it's not sagging. If you notice any of those things, it's best to call a roofer right away.
Keep your gutters free from debris, so have them cleaned regularly or clean them yourselves. Clogged gutters can cause the backup and overflow of water onto your roof, causing damage and potential leaks. Regularly removing the leaves and debris from the gutters and downspouts will help to prevent this.
Trim trees. If you have any overhanging tree branches, you want to trim them back right away. The branches can scrape against your roof shingles, causing damage. Also, if there's a bad storm, a falling tree branch can cause major damage to your roof.
Clear any debris such as leaves and branches or dirt from your roof's surface. Debris can trap moisture and promote growth of mold and algae, which can deteriorate roofing materials over time.
Address leaks promptly. If you notice any sign of a leak, like say water stains on your roof or walls, wet insulation, drips during a rainstorm, address those issues right away to prevent further damage to the interior of your home.
Ensure your roof has proper ventilation to prevent the buildup of excess heat and moisture. Poor ventilation can lead to issues such as mold growth, premature aging of your roof materials, and higher energy costs.
Insulate your attic. Adequately insulate your attic to prevent heat transfer between your living space and your roof. Proper insulation helps regulate temperature and reduce the risk of ice dams during the winter.
Consider hiring a professional roofing contractor for periodic inspections and maintenance. They can identify potential issues early on and provide expert advice on repairs and replacement.
Weatherproofing. Seal any gaps or cracks or openings around vents, chimneys, or skylights if you have them. Use appropriate weatherproofing material, recommended dependent upon your roof type.
Safety first. When performing any kind of roof maintenance, you need to prioritize safety. Use the proper safety equipment such as a harness or non-slip footwear. If the task seems beyond your capabilities, please hire a professional roofer to do the work.
We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team from Century 21 Redwood in Ashburn. Please like and subscribe.